So this is a before video. Here's the back side of the house near the tree. Awesome tree. So over the years the one year we put in a bunch of windows here, did a bunch of molding, did a lot of repair, but then never primed it. So now I'm trying not to do that anymore. I'm trying to prime as I go. But I think it's time to catch up on this area and take care of this. So I'll go over what I'm going to start this today, but I have another priority. But I want to go over a couple things. First of all, re-nailing. So we're nailing everything. I had done this quite a while ago, so I think this one does not look like it was re-nailed yet, but up into here, this is where we're going to get into some trickier nailing, but all this needs to be re-nailed all the way up through there. And you can see breakage. So these nails were just too big. In some cases, like this one, may not even hit anything, so we have to feel. If it doesn't, it should be pulled out. The small nails that are used as siding nails can be put into this little thin area here. They're a smaller nail, but they go in and they have a blunt edge. I've talked about it before. They're really good. They're awesome nails. So we're going to work on this. But first of all, I'm going to double check nailing here. Like for here example, there should be a nail here, a nail here, a nail here. So I need to double check all the nailing, then scrape. So I'm going to just do what I can reach easily from the ground first. That will be my first round. I'm going to go all the way around here. Then caulk. We're going to caulk all the nail heads, even the new ones. Here we didn't re-nail yet. And then we're going to prime. So this will be on the radar today and this week especially. And then I'm going to bring the ladder back, and I'm going to do everything I can reach with a small ladder comfortably. And then at that point, I might bring a little bit bigger ladder, or depending on how the week's going and how the time looks, I might bring the small lift around and get the small lift in here, and then we'll start doing the whole thing. Now you can see up there where I've already started to prime. So top priority is painting here. So this whole side is all prepped. We got to finish the priming, and then all the colors are going on. So we've got lots on the radar today. And then I've been thinking about it. I really need to get at the well. So that's not going to happen now, but we're going to focus on this area first. So there we go. Let's get to work.